how it seems that the Bombay High Court has now talked about extremely disturbing pictures that they believe on morphed pictures of Shilpa Shetty, and has now immediately ordered the deletion and the removal. The Bombay High Court has termed this as extremely disturbing and shocking as far as AI generated or artificial intelligence generated and morphed pictures of actor Shilpa Shetty, and directed several social media platforms to delete and remove all such links from the websites as well. The actor had moved the High Court seeking protection for her personality rights and an order against websites and AI-generated content that allegedly carried morphed and manipulated images and videos of her. Now, the bench there had noted in its order that the material uploaded on the websites were prima facie extremely disturbing, and no personality, much less of a person or a woman, can be portrayed in a fashion that affects her fundamental right to privacy, and that too without her knowledge and consent. Let's connect with Rucha on this. Rucha, Bombay High Court orders deletion, removal of extremely disturbing pictures, AI morphed pictures of Shilpa Shetty.
Well, the Bombay High Court on Friday in an interim order has given orders to remove and delete all the AI-generated videos, morphed videos which are there uploaded on various platforms of social media. Multiple links are there where Shilpa Shetty's videos and morphed pictures are now posted, and after raising this issue, Shilpa Shetty has finally got relief in this matter, and this is not the first time that we have seen any celebrities or anyone's morphed images on Instagram. It definitely makes big difference and makes it is an insult to the privacy of any celebrity or any person. But in today's age, we are seeing how the misuse of artificial intelligence is being done.
This is a concern there on social media, because the actor, and much like other actors as well, had moved courts alleging misuse of their personality rights with AI-generated morphed pictures and videos that have been widely circulating online. Thank you very much for the moment, Rucha, for joining in with those details. Heading into a short break, you're watching Times Now.